This is the coolest spot here at Bird Paradise. Welcome to Penguin Cove. This habitat is incredible. They've recreated a perfect SC environment for these penguins. The glass here gives us amazing underwater views, so we can see how gracefully they move in the water. It's so cool how close you can get to the penguins. It's a really immersive experience. You can also watch a show here about the story of penguins. There's also a cafe and shop inside this Penguin Cove. This is a perfect place to bring the family. The kids are going to love it. It is so much fun to watch them. By the way, don't miss the feeding time here at 1:30 p.m. That's all, folks. Enjoy Singapore.